Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I will try my best to record this video as short as possible. As you guys can see from the previous clip, yes, that is my batch number 2 promo video that is recorded by Image Airy, which I'm gonna leave their Instagram in the description box below. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about my rescue serum, which is batch number 2, which has already launched on Instagram last month. For those who don't know me, I have a small humble brand that is mainly on social media, especially on Instagram. I sell face serum which is called Rescue, and this is my own product. There's a lot of customers ask me if I am an agent for this product. No, I'm not. This is my own product, my very own baby. Before I go on talking about this rescue serum for batch number 2, I am going to talk to you about my rescue serum for batch number 1, which I never talked about on YouTube before, I guess. So this is rescue serum batch number 1. This is the box. This is in 15 ml. You guys can see. This is how it looks like in 15 ml. For batch number 1, it's just a small bottle. And it's already finished because I already use it. Because this is the very last bottle that I can keep for myself. That is rescue serum for batch number 1. The one that I am excited is for this batch number 2. Because it is newly improvised in design, in scent, and I increases the size to 30 ml. So this is rescue serum for batch number 2. Yes, this is in bigger size in 30 ml, and the box is different from batch number 1, of course. Let me show you guys side by side. The smaller one is batch number 1, and of course the bigger one is batch number 2. And this is how the bottle looks like. Oh my god, you see the design? Yeah, it's like I totally revamped the look of my serum, and everything is the same. The ingredient, the formula is all the same, just that I enhanced the natural scent from the extracts, and of course the size is in 30 ml. I am really happy for this batch number 2 because I waited for almost 5 months because there is a lot of delay due to the pandemic. Alhamdulillah, all my products arrived safely, and I would like to thank to all my pre-order customers who actually ordered and waited with me for almost 5 months. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and I really hope you guys enjoy the product. For those who don't know about this rescue serum that I created, this serum is definitely suitable for all skin types and for all conditions. After you open the bottle, the natural scent from the extracts, oh my god, even after I close it, I can still smell it, okay? It's really super refreshing. Let's talk about the ingredients. What are the ingredients in this serum? I created this serum water-based, and why not oil-based? Before I launch this serum, I have a lot of samples with different type of ingredients and different types of base. I tried oil-based before, but I made the decision to use aqua as my water base because I want this serum to work on all skin types and condition. I'm not saying oil base is not good for all skin types and condition, but for my preference, I already tried and tested. Water base is still the best. So the ingredients are aqua, allantoin, alpha-arbutin, ferulic acid, sakura extract, apple stem cell extract, tomato extract, seaweed extract, and one of the most famous ingredient, hyaluronic acid. I mean, come on guys, by knowing the ingredients, you guys know already, this is the best serum, okay? The best serum. The best serum. The best serum. Rescue. Okay, let's move on. What are the benefits of each ingredients? Allantoin, anti-aging, healing, repairing, soothing, and hydration. Alpha-arbutin, whiten and brighten skin, anti-aging, heal pigmentation and scars. Ferulic acid, natural antioxidants, UV protection, anti-aging. Sakura extract, natural antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, whiten and brighten, anti-aging, and it's a collagen. Apple stem cell extract is a natural antioxidant, anti-aging, repairing and healing, and regenerate your skin cells. Tomato extract is a natural antioxidant, repairing and healing, whiten and brighten skin, shrink pores, anti-aging, hydration, and excess oil control. Seaweed extract is a natural antioxidant, hydration, anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and heals pigmentation. Last but not least, hyaluronic acid, hydration, anti-aging, repairing and healing, anti-inflammatory, and shrink pores. I mean, come on guys. The ingredients and then the benefits. Oh, this is one of the most powerful serum, okay? Powerful. Rescue. The benefits though, oh my god. Yes, the best. So that is all the simplified benefits that I can extract and tell you guys, because if you make a research of each of the ingredients, there is a lot more benefits, okay? Whatever you guys saw, whatever you guys hear, that is all simplified, okay? I know you guys shook at the ingredients and the benefits, but we have to move on. What are the recommended ways to use this serum? Usually for new customers who are new to this rescue serum product, I would recommend them to use every night for at least 6 days. Because this serum is quite intense and some customers experience dryness of skin and the skin peel off. But not to worry guys, because your skin is regenerating and your skin is acting well to the serum. If not, you can apply as per normal. For day, apply after cleanser or toner. You can apply your SPF or moisturizer after, because this product is safe to mix with any other products, because this product has no harmful chemicals, okay? For night, you can apply after cleanser or toner. You can apply your treatment cream or your night cream after. As what I mentioned, this serum is safe to mix with other products because there is no harmful chemicals in it. Come on guys, this serum have all the benefits that you need. It's best if you guys use this serum alone. If you guys have any breakouts and have any cystic acne, right after you apply on your whole face, just pump one small dot on your fingers and just dab on all the active acne. It will help to dry out your acne very fast without leaving any scars. This serum can be your night cream, your treatment cream, your acne cream, your moisturizer. This serum is everything, okay? And lastly, this serum is best to use as your primer or your makeup base, because I personally tried it on myself. I use foundation frequently. I apply this serum as my primer, and I'm not kidding guys, your makeup will last for a day. If you're outside for 2 or 3 days, I think your makeup can last for 2 or 3 days also. I have a lot of positive feedback for customers who use makeup every day and use heavy makeup, and they said that this serum helps their makeup look way better than before. You guys have to really try it, okay? Oh my god, I talk a lot and I talk very fast. Okay guys, I can finally say that is all for this video. I really hope I explained to you guys clearly. If you wish to purchase this serum, you can find our Instagram account at Saifullah Raman Empire. I will leave the username in the description box below. Please give me your support guys. I made this serum with love, okay? If you have any question, just DM us on Instagram. Last but not least, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and press that bell notification button, because there will be a lot of interesting content that I will upload soon. 1 AM and there's still a lot of people downstairs making noise, okay? Bising nak mampus. Let me clarify things with you. This channel is not always about ghost adventure, okay? There is a lot more interesting contents coming soon. Once again, thank you for watching.
I think I'm in love, say it way too often. I can't play these games, think I'm switching up the offense.